Hey everybody, today we're going to take a look at how to mark a waypoint on the Garmin Oregon 600 series. A couple different ways that you can do this. One way, from the main screen, select Map and go to the mapping screen. You can then scroll through there wherever you are and then just touch the point on the map that you want to save. That'll bring up that bar along the top, says Southeastern Avenue, so go ahead and select that. That'll show you some more information about that point, and then you're going to press the flag in the lower right corner of the screen, and that's going to save that as a waypoint. Now it'll take you back to a similar screen, except instead of a flag, it is showing a pencil there, and you can select that to edit the details about that waypoint. Some different things that you can change here. You can change the title. It gave it that title of Southeastern Avenue, but you can select that and enter in your own name if you like. You can use uppercase characters, lowercase characters. You can use a keypad, enter numbers, and you can also, if you like, change the language of the keyboard and select a different language if you want to if you want to type in a language other than English. So we'll go back. We'll leave that as Southeastern Avenue. In the upper left-hand corner, there's that blue flag, and that's the symbol that's going to appear on the map to represent that waypoint. So you can select that and scroll through here. There's some different themes you can choose from, and you can use a different symbol for your waypoint if you want. I'll go with the baseball. Below that is a note, so you can enter in a custom note or a comment about a waypoint. Then you have location, so you can actually enter in latitude and longitude coordinates manually. If you know exactly what point you want to save, you can just punch that in yourself. Below that, elevation and depth. If you want to enter a custom figure for those fields, you can do that. And view map on the bottom will show us this waypoint on a map. There's a 3-bar menu in the lower right-hand corner. Selecting that will give you some more options. You have delete, change photo. That's more so for the Oregon 650, which is a camera unit if you have a photo associated with a waypoint. And then you have average location. That's going to take some more points and increase the accuracy of your waypoint. Below that is project waypoint. You can enter in a bearing in degrees here, and you can enter a unit of measurement and a distance. And what that'll do is project a waypoint, what we have now, 200 degrees, 5,000 miles, and just move that to a new location. Going back to that 3-bar menu, the last option there is move waypoint. That'll bring us back to the mapping screen, and what you can do is move the map underneath the point, select move when you're done, and that's just going to put that in a new location. That's if you want to change where your waypoint is. Now we'll go back. So that is one way that we can save a waypoint on the Oregon 600 series. There is another way you can do that. In another video, I showed you some different features that you can assign to these two buttons, the power key and the user key. And the default on this GPS, if you tap the user key once, that's the bottom one. If you tap that once, that is going to save a waypoint. So I'll tap that once, and we see waypoint marked, and it gave it a name, a symbol. We can change all those just as before, and then hit cancel or save. So I'll save that. Actually, I'll change the symbol first. Go with that, and I'll leave that as 004 and save that waypoint. One last thing to show you, and that is the Waypoint Manager. If you open the drawer from the bottom, select Waypoint Manager, and that's going to give you a list of all the different waypoints you have saved on your Oregon 600 series GPS. So there's Southeastern Avenue 004, the one that I just saved, and you can select any one of those, and it'll bring you to that same screen as before where you can edit any one of these fields. So that is a quick look at how to mark a waypoint on the Garmin Oregon 600 series.